In this video, I'm going to give you some of my best social media marketing tips to help you get more reach, more engagement, and more sales from your social media. And I'll walk you through, step by step, a social media marketing strategy that's working better than anything else right now. And it all starts by first understanding that things have changed and they're never going back. So, if you've been trying to use social media to grow your business, get more customers, or build up an audience, and you're not getting the results you were hoping for, I've got good news. It's not your fault. It's just that there have been a lot of very big changes to the different social media algorithms and how the platforms decide and prioritize what content gets promoted and shown, and most importantly of all, how all of this is impacting your current and potential social media audience. So the secret then to solving this once and for all first starts with understanding the importance of marketing strategy. Number 1, niche marketing. So this is where niche marketing comes in, a significantly better approach for pretty much every single business out there. What niche marketing does is identify a smaller segment within the much larger mass market, a segment or niche that has its own specific set of needs or wants or desires or whatever. And by going after a small segment of the market, you can get a lot more bang for your marketing buck, because now you can tailor your message to the exact people that you're trying to reach. For example, if you're selling toothpaste, well, the mass market approach would be to go after everyone in the world that has teeth. For easy math here, let's say we have 8 billion people in the world, and we'll just say that they all have teeth. Well, that's a lot of people. So this is where you would start to niche down to find segments of the market that would be most interested in the kind of toothpaste that you want to make. Like toothpaste for sensitive teeth, or whitening toothpaste, or pickle-flavored toothpaste. Which, yes, is very much a thing, and is proof that you absolutely can niche down in probably a whole lot more than you thought. Alright, so now that we've got that covered, the next thing then is, how do you properly pronounce niche anyway? After all, you may have heard it called niche, like I've said throughout this video, but maybe also niche or niche. Number 2, quality content. Quality content on a consistent basis is one of the biggest keys to success in marketing, but it's the end point, not the start. Quality content isn't something that just happens right out of the gate. It takes practice and engaging with your audience and slowly building up your content creation skills. And so, the advice to focus on creating the highest quality content you possibly can often causes people to give up before they even get going, to agonize over their content, and to too harshly judge their own creations. And in the end, well, this basically leads to them never doing anything for fear how they or how their content might be perceived. But the reality is that in this hyper-competitive market, more really is better. Different is better, and better may not actually be better. Because quality is subjective, so what looks terrible to you might look amazing to someone else, and probably does. So if you're currently putting out one video a month, try to make it weekly. If you're sending out a weekly marketing email, try 3 times a week, or maybe even daily. And if you're putting out daily Instagram content, well, you could try twice a day, dare I say 3 times a day. Anyway, here are 4 things that will help you do that. First, just use your phone camera. You probably have it with you all day, every day, so you might as well get creating. Next, you could invest in a marketing-specific video camera, something that you carry with you, and you know it's time to record content when that bad boy comes out. Plus, there's always good old-fashioned pen and paper. I talked about this being one of the most important things that Richard Branson, who now owns more than 400 different companies, carries with him all the time. You see, it's competitive out there, my friend. So the key is to do your best, and do it as often as you can without going crazy in the process. That's the game. That's the fun. All right, next up, we need to talk about what truly is the best marketing tool, media, strategy, or tactic available to you right now: video. So let's dive into that one now. Talking about video marketing as one of the most important marketing strategies right now almost feels kind of obvious, but it needs to be said anyway, as most people still aren't putting enough time and money and energy towards video. And video really is the future and the present. So, In rapid-fire succession, here are 5 video marketing facts to hopefully push you over the edge into the wild and wonderful world of video marketing. First, 78% of people watch online videos every week and 55% view online videos every day. Next, 54% of consumers want to see more video content from a brand or business they support. Next, 72% of customers said they would rather learn about a product or service by way of video. Also, viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it in a video, compared to just 10% when reading it in the text. Also, marketers who use video grow revenue 49% faster than non-video users. The fact is, video is the next best thing to being in person, face-to-face, builds trust like nothing else out there, and allows you to communicate a ton of value very quickly. It's what your customers want, and it's what the social media networks want as they continue to prioritize showing video content over pretty much any other kind of marketing content out there. But if you really want to know the secret to succeeding with video marketing, then you need to know exactly what to say, how to say it, and what psychological hot buttons to push in your viewers. And that's why the next thing you're going to want to do is check out the logical marketing tactics that you can use right now in order to start getting more clicks, more engagement, and more sales from everything you post. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!